Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss a very basic topic in statistics called central tendencies. Statistics in psychology is very important because it helps us to conduct proper research. Let me give you an example. If I want to check the effectiveness of CBT, cognitive behavioral therapy, on a group of people, and I collect data from about 300 people and have 300 data samples to see how effective CBT has been, it helps to calculate the central tendency values. The central tendency values are mean, median, and mode, and these are also called the descriptive statistics because it helps us to describe our data and helps us to understand the it gives an overview about the nature of our data, right, or the pattern of our data. So calculating these values is very easy. Mean is just going to be the sum of all our data samples divided by the number of our data samples. So when we have 300 data samples, I add up everything and divide by 300, and that will give me one value. And mean is nothing but the average. So that helps us to get an understanding of how effective CBT has been just through one number, right? And similarly, mode is nothing but the most frequent value in our data set, right? So all we have to do is we have to find the data value which is occurring the most number of times and select it as the mode. Median again is very simple, but one important thing to note is that we'll have to arrange our data in ascending order first, and then we'll have to look for our central element. So how do we look for our central element? We merely divide these group of elements into two groups, and anything that's left in the center is going to be our central value or the median. In case of even number of data, what happens is that we will have two elements left over in between, right? So for example, if I have 120 data samples and I divide it into 59 and 59 samples, I will have two elements remaining at the center, and I can take the average of these two values and assign it as the median. These are not the only descriptive statistics, because even standard deviation and variance also help describe the data. And so in the next video I will be covering standard deviation and variance. Thank you.